Number 11. I love this question. A local newspaper is featuring news about the end of the school year on the front page, including articles on the senior prom, the state champion track team, and the retiring teachers. The following diagram shows the planned layout of the front page. Each layout area is either a rectangle or a combination of rectangles. So I want to take a minute and just get acquainted with this diagram. I see that this is 4 units and this is 5 units. So the page itself is a rectangle. And you can see the sections broken up. You've got the title and each of the topics that go on the page. What percent of the front page is taken up by the prom story, including the prom photograph? So if we mark that off, I'm going to try to color this in. We'll see how it goes. There is the prom story, and we want to include the prom photograph. So we're looking at this much of the front page. Now you could probably estimate, if you're good at that sort of thing. I don't think it's going to be as high as 60, but is it as low as 20? Let's see. We know that the units are marked off on the sides, so it looks like a 2 by 2. It's 2 units wide by 2 units tall. So the prom area is 2 units by 2 units, or 4 square units. The whole paper, or the whole front page, I should say, is 4 units wide by 5 units tall, or 20 square units. Now again, if I were doing this problem just for myself, I would simply say that it is 4 out of 20, or 4 divided by 20, or 0.2, or 20%. So I like A as my answer. Now, if you don't recognize that method of doing percent, you can use your proportion, where you would set up a proportion using the prom story out of the whole page. And we know that the prom story was 4 units. The whole page is 20 units. And if we're doing a percent, we're working with 100. So you would do 4 times 100. That's 400. And 400 divided by 20 is 20. So either way, you would get 20% of that page is devoted to the prom and its photo.